this video I'm gonna show you how to bring balance to your sound using EQ8 coming up. So guys, today I was working a track of mine, you know I'm an artist like you, and I had this sound on the drop which was a little bit harsh, it had a lot of energy and it was out of balance. So I started using EQ in order to bring in balanced stuff, and I thought that it was a good idea to make a video of it and show it to you so you can do the same if you have the same problem anytime, you know. So let's get started. So guys, this is the sound I was talking about. As I said, it feels a little bit out of balance and a little bit harsh. So how we're gonna fix it? We're gonna grab an EQ from FabFilter Pro Q2. We're gonna cut the low frequencies that we don't need. Around 300 Hz it feels right for this sound. And after that we're gonna start creating bands, give them a notch and start listening to the sound and start cutting frequencies that we don't need. Just 1.5 dB is gonna be just fine actually. We cut frequencies that they sound really harsh when we gain them up with a notch band. And after that we use a high cut in order to cut the upper frequencies that we actually don't need, as we did with the low frequencies. Around 17,000 Hz it feels right. So, and after that let's see how it sounds with and without the Pro Q. And without, I feel the difference. I feel now the sound is, I feel that the sound now is in balance, it's really better, it can sit in the mix really better, and it can help the whole project sound louder. So guys, that was the video. Please like and subscribe if you thought that video was helpful, because more videos like this are coming. See you next time. Bye.